Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to change TikTok username. So let's get started. First, open TikTok app, then
यूही
click
गवर्नमेंट
on
यहाँ से क्या
File. After that, click Setup Profile. Then here you can see username. Click on it. After that, change your username according to your needs. For example, I want to keep this username. So after typing this username, then click on save, then confirm. As you can see, my username has been changed. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel. Thank you.